Okay, so Belle, we've been treating you with an FOS appliance. Okay, it's a flexi orthotic system. Okay, can you please tell us a little bit more about what kind of symptoms you used to have?
Yeah. I suffered a lot from headaches, cluster headaches. I'd have a week where I'd have a headache every single day if I was more stressed, and then I'd have a week with nothing, and then they'd come back, and I ended up having to have a bit of time off work. And I could really feel it in my jaw that I was grinding my teeth really hard at night, and I knew that that was giving me my headaches.
Mm-hmm.
I'd even been to the opticians, and I tried to figure out if it was my sight, but yeah, I knew it was my teeth.
You said you had some time off work as well,
Yes.
which is quite significant with a migraine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And how often in a week would you say would you have a migraine versus how often in a week or a month would you have a cluster headache? I mean, give us an idea of when you would have what type of headache. Was there a pattern?
Yeah. So. I mean, yeah, like I said, I tend to get them quite close together. If I got a headache one day, I pretty much knew that I was going to have one again the next day, because it tended to go along with like a particularly stressful period when I'll be grinding my teeth a lot. And then it kind of culminated in a particularly bad migraine about twice a month, maybe 3 times a month. And I'd have to go home from work. So I worked with children, so it was very
demanding.
loud.
Yeah. Would you get the aura? You know how migraines, some people get an aura. Would you have that as well?
I would. My sight would be particularly affected, so I'd have to be completely in the dark and the cold. Yeah, that was what helped me.
So quite typical sort of migraine signs.
Yeah, and just the sound I was particularly sensitive to.
Okay, fine. Next question I want to ask you basically is you had been to a dentist.
Yes.
And expressed your concern. What solutions were offered to you initially?
I said, I think I'm grinding my teeth. I knew I was grinding my teeth. And my dentist looked at my teeth and he said, oh yeah, you are really grinding your teeth. You know, is it giving you any trouble? I said, yeah, I'm getting migraines, and I've been to the opticians and they said that it was more likely to be to do with my teeth, or, you know, because it wasn't my sight. And then my dentist said, well, you know, it's probably not really worth doing anything about it. Didn't really offer me any solutions, so yeah.
Okay, and then you heard about the solvemyheadache.com.
Yes.
And now you've got the FOS appliance, which we just fit on you last week, and we colour it in, and we can see the signs, you know, the white areas where you've rubbed away the black marker, and that completely ties in perfectly where the way you grind forward, back, left, and right. Okay, and it's only been 1 or 2 weeks now.
1 week.
It's only been 1 week, and your headaches. You haven't had a headache this week.
I haven't had any, not even minor headaches. I haven't had anything, because I was going to take notes so that I could compare.
Yeah, I told you to make notes when you have a headache, but you haven't, so which is amazing. So you are someone whose headaches were attributable to your clenching and grinding habit, and for you it was actually a bit of both clenching and grinding. We know from the rubbing marks that it was grinding. Not everyone will get this, you know, as quick as response you do, but it looks like your headaches were solely due to that.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll keep a close eye on you and keep reviewing you. So always bring your appliance with you. We'll check it for you, make sure it's clean. How have you found cleaning the appliance?
Yeah, really easy. I don't even think about it. It takes me like 2 seconds in the morning, and it's just, it's really easy. I can't believe how simple it is. Is I don't even think about it. I just pop it in. It's so small.
Yep.
And then it's just really comfortable. So in the morning, it doesn't. Yeah, it hasn't really affected my routine at all, apart from that it's solving my headaches.
Brilliant. And is there any piece of advice or any words you want to say to someone who is suffering from headaches, and it may or may not be due to their clenching and grinding?
I think I'd just say, you know, go to your dentist and see if they think that it's to do with your clenching and grinding, because if it is, then, you know, I thought before that it was just something that I did, and that was something that I was going to have to live with because it's a habit. I didn't realise that it's something that I could actually, you know, take action on and sort out. So definitely look into the options, go to your dentist.
Start the conversation.
Yeah.
Well, as you've seen, it doesn't stop your grinding because you're still grinding on it.
Yeah.
But it changes the forces, and your muscles are more relaxed, and hence in your case, the headaches have gone. Okay, perfect, brilliant. Thank you so much, Belle.